Okay.
Alright.
Wait, okay, it's starting.
Hey guys, I'm back again with with flying a drone. This isn't my drone, it's the cameraman's drone, which is Blake's.
Hi, everybody.
Ranger 56. This is a 50, but yeah. Go check out his channel. This is his drone. So, what we're trying to do is, it's starting to rain. This is the best drone flying area, but it's outside, so it is. What we're gonna do is to make it here to over there where he is standing. He's on the deck, and I'm down on the floor. Let's see if this works. Okay, so the drone is taking off.
You can also do stunts if you want
Yep,
to.
I'm about to do a stunt.
Okay, dude, I can't see it. Okay, let me get back here. Dude is going behind the house. You might. Okay, turn it this way.
What's happening? No! Something on the window.
What? Did you make it get stuck on the window?
Oh god, it hit the window.
It probably scared someone.
That was perfect.
Alright, once you get like about like up here somewhere, try to do a stunt. Well, not like exactly right here, just up a bit. No, try not to fly into the tree. Okay. Jesus, it's cold.
I'm not the best drone flyer, okay?
Well, that was pretty cool. So, okay, try to do a stunt.
The stunts aren't working. I think it's higher.
Okay, try to do it while moving. Like, move while doing the stunt. Whoa! Did I get?
It's still flying! It's still flying!
That was a cool stunt. Okay, do it again. I didn't get it on video.
No, I have an idea.
I didn't get that on video.
You didn't even get it on video. I'm praying this works. Dude, do you think I'll break if I drop it from here?
Just try to do it from a surface, like right over here. So actually, right here, like try to like, no, wait. Try to like.
The cord's like hanging out a little. Okay, back up a little. If you want me to take it off from there, back up.
Okay, I don't know if that's the best spot, but
It isn't, but
that is a cold breeze.
you know what? We're trying it down here again. Let's get it on camera.
I got it. Okay.
Worst cameraman in 2016.
Screw you. Okay, got that on video.
I didn't even say it though.
Maybe it would be a better idea if I was down there.
Yeah, but you don't want to get down here with the wind.
Well, you could have just said, hey, dude, it might be good to come down here. It's freaking freezing cold. Below freaking freezing over here.
Hold on.
Jesus.
It is cold out here.
Alright, go that way.
It's happening again.
Oh, Jesus, watch out for the car, watch out. Ow, freaking raindrop is following me. Oh, God. Can you do a stunt? I really want to. Alright, do a stunt,
Does it have to be that high up in the air?
I mean, I guess. Yeah, I got that on video. Oh, it landed as well.
Yeah.
Oh, God, I'm freezing.
I'm starting to hate the concept of this video. Once again, this is the drone we're flying. It's like a green and black.
freaking go inside. It feels like 3 degrees out here.
It does.
God, it's freaking crazy. Jesus. Okay, dude. Dude.
This is how I fly a drone.
Well, at least that stunt got a video. We should do this in the summer.
It's not safe.
Not in the winter.
I think it died.
No, it's not dead. It's probably just because it might need to charge a bit more. But, I wonder, is that good of a video? It's like been 5 minutes already.
Wait, I want to see if it's actually dead. And if it's actually not, if it's not dead, then we can still go.
Because this last video ended at 7 minutes.
Yeah.
And it's already...
I think it's dead.
Okay, let's just end the video.
Alright, if you guys liked it, please hit it up with a like. And if you guys didn't, hit it up with a dislike. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.